Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Granulex spray is probably one of the most effective and versatile wound care solutions available on the market today, offering a unique formulation designed to accelerate healing and promote tissue regeneration. This advanced spray is specifically engineered to aid in the treatment of various skin conditions, from minor cuts and abrasions to more complex wounds, making it an indispensable addition to any first aid kit or medical practice. Its innovative delivery system ensures even application and optimal absorption, providing targeted relief and support for the body's natural healing processes. Number 5. Bactine Max Pain Relieving Antiseptic Spray. Experience rapid relief from pain and itching with this powerful spray. It's designed to soothe discomfort quickly and effectively. Protect your wounds from infection. This antiseptic spray is proven to eliminate 99% of harmful germs, keeping your cuts and scrapes clean. Say goodbye to stinging pain when you clean wounds. Our unique no-sting formula provides a gentle yet effective cleansing experience. Featuring lidocaine, it offers advanced pain relief to numb the area. You can trust it for effective first aid care. This 5-ounce spray bottle is perfect for your first aid kit. Its easy-to-use design ensures quick application whenever you need it. For all your minor cuts, scrapes, and burns, this is your essential first aid solution. It provides comprehensive care in one bottle. What we like? This spray offers immediate pain relief and itch control with its no-sting formula. It effectively kills 99% of germs, making it a reliable choice for first aid. If you're looking for a quick and painless solution for minor cuts and scrapes, this is the one to consider. What people say. Granulex Spray is a wound healing accelerator. It promotes the formation of healthy granulation tissue. The spray application allows for easy and even coverage of wounds. Number 4. Terrasil Wound Care 3X Ointment. Experience powerful protection and healing for your skin. This ointment is uniquely formulated to provide a strong barrier against infection, killing 99.99% of bacteria. It soothes damaged skin and supports fast healing of wounds, ulcers, and sores. Get fast relief with this soothing ointment. It calms inflammation and redness, minimizes scarring, and reduces itching and irritation. It applies easily for comfort without stinging. Our unique patented technology features activated minerals, backed by extensive research. Combined with natural ingredients, it effectively treats, accelerates, and provides skin healing and protection. This product offers therapeutic benefits with natural ingredients like jojoba oil and calendula. It moisturizes damaged skin, providing relief from itching, burning, and soreness. It's also paraben-free, alcohol-free, dye-free, and fragrance-free. It is gentle enough for sensitive skin on both adults and kids. Dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic approved, it's suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. Formulated with the finest ingredients and made in the USA to the highest quality standards, you can expect rapid results. It's also FSA and HSA eligible. What we like? This ointment utilizes patented activated minerals technology for accelerated skin healing and protection. It's dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic, making it gentle for sensitive skin. If you are dealing with chronic wounds like bed sores or pressure sores, or need a natural, effective healing solution, this is an excellent option. What people say. It works very well for wounds and skin irritations. The spray application is convenient and easy to use. Granulex Spray promotes faster healing and reduces scarring. Number 3. PetSilver Wound and Skin Spray. Is your pet suffering from hot spots, wounds, or skin irritations? Our spray is designed to provide fast relief for dogs and cats, promoting natural healing for their skin and wounds. It's safe for all sensitive areas, effectively soothing itchy and irritated skin. Experience a gentle and effective alternative to traditional ointments. Our formula uses natural ingredients to cleanse and support the healing process, providing comfort and restoration for your pet's skin without any discomfort. Harnessing the power of advanced silver technology, our spray features optimal particle size for effective healing of affected skin tissue. It's perfect for soothing various skin irritations in both dogs and cats. Rest assured, our product is FDA registered and manufactured in the USA under strict guidelines. Its gentle formulation is safe for multiple daily applications, ensuring consistent care for your beloved pets. We are committed to providing high-quality wound care solutions. Our products are rigorously tested to ensure effectiveness, supporting your pet's well-being with every use. What we like. This spray is specifically designed for pets, offering soothing relief for hot spots, wounds, and itchy skin. Its advanced chelated silver technology aids in natural healing without discomfort. If you have a dog or cat suffering from skin irritations or wounds and want a gentle, natural, and effective solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Granulex Spray is a wound healing spray that promotes tissue regeneration. It is effective in treating burns, cuts, and abrasions. The spray application allows for easy and even coverage of the wound. Number 2. Active Skin Repair Natural Healing Ointment and Antiseptic Spray. Discover the power of natural healing for your skin. Our gentle formula is designed to soothe and repair minor skin irritations effectively. Keep this essential first aid solution in your home. It's perfect for treating minor cuts, scrapes, and other everyday skin concerns. You can trust our non-toxic formula for your family's skin. It provides effective care without harsh chemicals, ensuring safety and peace of mind. Experience relief from uncomfortable rashes and sunburns. This healing ointment and spray works to calm and restore irritated skin. This bundle offers a comprehensive approach to skin repair. With both an ointment and a spray, you have everything you need for various skin issues. Get the best of both worlds with this convenient combo pack. Each 3-ounce bottle ensures you have ample supply for all your healing needs. What we like. This product is a natural and non-toxic healing ointment and antiseptic spray suitable for a wide range of skin issues. It's designed to promote healing from minor cuts, scrapes, rashes, and sunburns. If you prefer natural, safe, and versatile first aid solutions for various minor skin irritations, this bundle offers great value and effectiveness. What people say. The spray nozzle provides a fine mist for even application. It dries quickly, leaving no sticky residue. The formulation is non-irritating and promotes healing. Number 1. Vetericyn Plus Dog Wound Care Spray. This spray is designed to help heal your pet's wounds and repair their skin. Use it a few times daily to clean cuts, abrasions, sores, and skin irritations. It's a must-have for your pet first aid kit. This product works great on all animals at all life stages to provide relief from skin problems. Our formula is made with non-toxic hypochlorous technology. It's pH balanced and completely safe, even if your pet licks it. Support your pet's wound healing with this recommended solution. It's an anxiety-free and cost-effective alternative to traditional ointments. Vetericyn is a leader in at-home animal health. We manufacture products to help pet owners provide the best care for their beloved animals. What we like. This spray uses a safe, non-toxic hypochlorous technology that is pH balanced and veterinarian recommended for wound care in animals. It effectively cleans wounds and helps repair skin, providing relief from skin allergies. If you are a pet owner looking for a trusted, anxiety-free, and cost-effective alternative to antibiotics or steroids for your pet's wound care, this is an ideal choice. What people say. Granulex Spray is a wound healing spray that promotes tissue regeneration. It is effective in treating various types of wounds, including burns, cuts, and abrasions. The spray application allows for easy and even coverage of the wound area. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.